What's good? What's poppin'? What it do? We here again with another vlog, and it's Chopper here, man. Last vlog, hold up. Y'all see who I'm with? I'm with the Coupe. Don't mind that right there, that little, you know what I mean? But today we with the Coupe. Last vlog we did the coilovers on the Coupe. I went with function and form type 1s. So today I want to give you guys a first drive, see how it feels in these New York streets, you know? I know you guys want to go with certain coilovers and you're not sure which one you want to use or what. I went with these, and this is gonna be like really the first drive we're gonna take, and we're gonna see how they react on the road, how they handle. And I wanted to take y'all guys along. I got the GoPro set up, but before we do that, let me show you guys the EG Coupe now. What do you guys think? Show y'all how low it looks again now that the spring settled in, more or less. Give y'all a little walk around. So it's the front, it's the back right there. So let's get right into this, man. We out. See if I can hold this camera while I drive. Ooh. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, got a little speed bump coming up. Okay, suspension feels good there. Let's hit it. Power right here. This is what 80 horsepower feel like, man. These little singles don't got much power, man. Well, we doing what we can with what we have. Let's get it. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear that exhaust? Oh, there goes one pothole. Took it pretty good. On the highway now. Let's see, hopefully ain't that much traffic. Try to find some empty space so we can feel the suspension. Well, looks like a whole lot of traffic, but find something. Oh, what's going on over here? What you got here? Coming after me or what? That look like the feds right there, man. Holy shit, how many of them is it? Holy. It's like 50 of them. I don't know where all these cops are going, but it look like it's something serious. I thought they were coming for me. Alright, we got some open road over here, so let's test it out. Let's go. Oh, little bump right there. perfect for me. I haven't got on the highway with one of these little cars in a while, man. It feels good. These things is just fun, even though it's underpowered, but it's just fun. Shit. Driving really straight, surprisingly, even after dropping it or lowering it. Real good, takes the turns real good. When you cut in the lanes, you can feel the stability from the suspension, and I still have to do a whole lot more suspension work because I have to do all the control arms, the camber kits, the toe arms in the back, the polyurethane bushings. That's all in vlogs to come. So, but as of now, I feel real good. Take this car on a trip, nice little hour, 2-hour drive to really enjoy it, you know. Over here in the city it's hard, too much traffic, too many cars all over the place, so you gotta be maneuvering, you know what I mean, like a fish in the water. We moving, we're definitely moving. Takes turns now. It's like it's planted to the ground. He on a scooter. He's not even supposed to be on the highway with this. Catch up to him. Guy's flying. Flying on that little scooter. Let me see if I can catch up to him right now. Guy's flying. Hey, what up, man? Alright, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the POV driving. You seen the cops coming through on the highway, the scooter, but As far as the coilovers, they working amazing. I can't complain, you know what I'm saying? I'm in no shape, way, or form sponsored by Function and Form, but that just happened to be the coilovers I got on a deal from a friend of mine, and they were like almost brand new, so I couldn't pass on them for the price. So I was like, let me put them on and see what's going on. And I'm amazed. They ride amazing. I really can't complain about it, you know? It's not factory, but when it comes to coilovers, this is probably the closest thing you're gonna get to being comfortable. You know what I mean? And not only that, the way the rebound is on the shock and the spring rate, it's like everything works perfect with these coilovers. I'm amazed. I really can't really say nothing bad about them. If you want something that's gonna be just right and you're still gonna be comfortable and it's gonna perform, this is the way to go. So you can also get the Type 2s from them, which has dampening. So, but like I always say, if you enjoyed this video, found value to it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and just keep showing love. You know, sometimes I take little breaks to drop these vlogs. I'm gonna try to put some more vlogs out more frequently. So I'm gonna try to give you guys more content, you know? I need you guys to share my videos. I need you to share these vlogs and continue to show love like I always tell y'all, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Trust me, I see every single comment. You know what I mean? So don't think I'm not looking at that. Everybody that comments, if you comment something negative, of course, you're gonna get ignored. But anybody that comments anything, I'll answer you back and I'll show love back, man. I like showing love more than receiving it. So I hope all you guys are doing well. I'll see y'all on the next vlog. And, oh, as far as the next vlog, all I got is 3 letters to say. N-O-S. So stay tuned for the next vlog. I got some fire things coming up. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Love every single one of y'all. It's Chopper out of here.